This camera can see the very small birds.
I want to take beautiful pictures too. Can I? I have a camera for the school contest.
We do not have money for expensive toys, Benny.
But a camera is not just a toy.
Hi.
I have something for you in my room.
This was your grandmother's favorite old camera.
It looks very old, and it is very dirty.
It still takes very honest and beautiful pictures.
It does not have a screen like a phone.
You must wait to see the magic inside.
My phone has 3 different lenses for pictures. I am using this old camera from my grandpa.
That belongs in a museum or the trash. Maybe Finn is right about this old thing.
Is that an old film camera in your bag?
Yes, but it is not a good camera.
This camera was very famous many years ago. Really?
But it does not have a screen.
The best pictures come from the heart, Benny.
Grandpa, I think the camera is finally broken.
It needs a special roll of film, Benny. Yeah.
Is the film very expensive to buy now?
I will find a way to get it.
We must be careful with our money, Henry.
Where are you going so early, Grandpa?
I am going for a walk to the shop.
He is going to the old jewelry store. He is giving away his favorite silver watch.
This will make the boy very happy today.
He sold his watch for my old camera.
Look. I found the film for your camera.
What? Thank you, Grandpa. You are very kind.
Now you can take 24 special pictures.
I took 100 pictures of this tree.
I only have 24 chances for a picture.
Click! I take pictures of everything I see.
I must wait for the perfect moment now. This is a very beautiful and quiet moment. I think I got the first picture, Grandpa.
Do not hurry. Use your eyes first. Oh.
I am so busy with all these people.
Mom, look at me and smile for a second. You look beautiful, even when you are tired. He misses his old watch very much. Grandpa, why did you sell your silver watch?
Time is more important than a metal watch.
I feel bad that you do not have it.
Your happiness is the best gift for me.
I hope the pictures are not all black.
Come back in 2 hours for the photos.
What about Brother?
What if I did it all wrong, Grandpa?
We will see what the camera captured soon. These are very interesting and beautiful pictures, boy.
The colors look so soft and very real. It looks much better than a phone picture.
I did not know you took this one.
You look like you are thinking of Grandma.
She would be very proud of you, Benny. Is what Stokeconda.
Mom looks like a hero in this picture. Oh, I have a big book of 300 photos. Oh. I only have these 3 pictures to show.
How did you get those beautiful, soft colors?
I learned to wait for the right moment.
I am looking for a story, not just a photo.
This man has a very kind and loving soul.
That is my grandpa. He helped me today.
You used the old film camera very well.
Mine look very bright, but yours look real. Your pictures are good too, Finn. Just different.
The winner of the contest is Benny!
I cannot believe that I really won today. I know exactly what I must do now. Please, do you still have the silver watch?
I still have it, but it is expensive.
I want to buy it back for my grandpa.
This is exactly the right amount for the watch.
He will be so happy to see it. Grandpa, I have a big surprise for you.
Benny, how did you get my old watch?
Hey, I won the contest because of your camera.
I only wanted you to have the camera.
I want you to have your memories too.
Oh my God.
Yeah, Verga. I heard the news about the big contest. I did not know I looked so strong.
I brought some more film for your camera. Thank you, Finn. That is very kind of you. Can you show me how to use it? First, you must look for the light, Finn.
Music and pictures bring friends together, Elsa.
What should I take a picture of next?
Look for the beauty in the small things.
I see it. It is very beautiful, Grandpa.
It is a good time for a picture.
This will be my favorite photo of all. I wanted a fancy camera, but Grandpa gave me the best memory.